Welcome back to freeCodeCamp's Applied Visual Design section. This is Change an Element's Relative Position. It says CSS treats each HTML element as its own box, which is usually referred to as the CSS box model. Block level items automatically start on a new line. Think headings, paragraphs, and divs, while inline items sit within surrounding content like images or spans. The default layout of elements in this way is called the normal flow of a document, but CSS offers the position property to override it. When the position of an element is set to relative, it allows you to specify how CSS should move it relative to its current position in the normal flow of the page. It pairs with the CSS offset properties of left or right and top or bottom. These say how many pixels, percentages, or ems to move the item away from where it is normally positioned. The following example moves a paragraph 10 pixels away from the bottom. So we have this paragraph, position relative, and it moves the paragraph 10 pixels away from the bottom. So changing an element's position to relative does not remove it from the normal flow. Other elements around it still behave as if that item were in its default position. Note, positioning gives you a lot of flexibility and power over the visual layout of a page. It's good to remember that no matter the position of elements, the underlying HTML markup should be organized and make sense when read from top to bottom. This is how users with visual impairments who rely on assistive devices like screen readers access your content. Change the position of the H2 to relative and use a CSS offset to move it 15 pixels away from the top of where it sits in the normal flow. Notice there is no impact on the position of the surrounding H1 and P element. Let's try this out. So we're going to just want to position relative and top 15 pixels. So that should satisfy that. And we did pass. So basically what this helped us do is it moved our H2 here from the normal flow, which was up here, and it moved it 15 pixels away from the top, which is what we specify here. Now if we run test, we did pass. So playing with the position is another thing that can help us positioning elements where we want on a page. Make sure to practice that, and I'll see you in the next video.